Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect with a smartwatch or Wear OS device on the NavShip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings button. Scroll down and in the app settings option you can find the first option, the Wear OS support, connect with a smartwatch or Wear OS device. And if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.